Hi, I'm Bob Sander, Vice President of Engineering and Sitework, and we're here doing a Callahan Academy class on sitework and pre-construction to give guys a better understanding of what goes into site work. Okay, so getting into the cuts and fills. Really the first step is going through this thing, right? So every job is going to have a geotech report. And the intent is to basically tell you how your proposed building is going to bear on the soils. And there's typically three different scenarios. One is you're going to have good soils there, so by the time you get down to your foundations, your footings just bear right on top of that natural soil. The other is you may have some unsuitable fill there, depending on the depth. You may need to just over-excavate that fill and then bring in imported structural fill and then put your footings on that. If the unsuitable fill is too deep, you have a situation where you probably want to use ground improvements, right? Whether there's all different types of ground improvements, wraps, gaps, rigid inclusions. And then if the fill is too deep or the underlying material below that is too soft, then you get into a deep foundation system. So that's whether it's H-piles, precast piles, there's all different types. And we work on all types of jobs. So those are the things that we kind of look through as we're reading through this geotech report. And at the end of the day, the purpose of it is so we can do a cut and fill and determine what the export is on the job or what the import is on the job. But in order to do that, we have to go through all these documents. And then what we do is we kind of take that and we put that on steroids, if you will. So this is an overlay plan that we did that basically takes the site grading plan. We overlaid the foundations in here, so you can see this, you got the grades on the outside. We took the structural plan, put that inside here, and then marked this up in Bluebeam so we can better understand the soil strata, if you will. Again, this is something that we typically do on most jobs, especially if it's going to be a Cal site job. But again, as part of the pre-con services, we kind of dive into all this detail for the client. Well, appreciate all your time, and again, if you guys have any questions at all as you're on your jobs, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. I'm a resource for you guys, whether it's pre-construction or during the job as well. All right, thank you very much, guys.